Example 7. The de Broglie wavelength associated with a material particle when it is accelerated through a potential difference of 150 volts is 1 angstrom. The de Broglie wavelength associated with the same particle when it is accelerated through a potential difference of 1350 volts will be. So let us do this. So the de Broglie wavelength associated with the material particle initially was 1 angstrom, means 10 power minus 10 meters. The time the potential difference through which the particle accelerated is 150 volts. And what will be the de Broglie wavelength of the same particle if it is accelerated through 1350 volts? So we know wavelength is equal to h by momentum. So lambda 1 can be written as h by under root of 2m k. So k1, or let it be, so what we can write, h by under root of 2m. Kinetic energy can be written as charge into potential, let it be v1. Let the charge of the particle be some e, and then wavelength lambda 2 can be written as h by under root 2m, the charge be e only, potential be v2. So let us divide lambda 1 and lambda 2. What we get, lambda 1 by lambda 2 is equivalent to h by under root 2m charge of the particle into potential difference by h by under root 2m charge of the particle into potential difference. H get cancelled and root 2me get cancelled. So therefore lambda 1 by lambda 2 we get under root of v2 by v1. So lambda 1 value we know, which is 10 power minus 10 meters, which is 1 angstrom. So 1 angstrom by lambda 2 is equal to v2 is nothing but 1350 volts. So 1350 by 150, therefore 1 angstrom by lambda 2 is equal to 150 ones are 150 nines are, so we get root 9 by 1. So 1 angstrom by lambda 2 is equal to 3, therefore lambda 2 will be equal to 1 by 3 angstroms.